In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps from Microsoft Store on PC. Now, if say for example, you are in your Microsoft Store and you open your library to see the games or the applications that you have here. Let's say for example, you'd want to uninstall say Instagram. You'd want to click this one right here, but there are actually no ways in order for you to do it here. So in order for you to uninstall any games or applications that you have here, what you are going to do is head over to a settings here in your Windows. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Windows key here to open this one, and I'm just going to go ahead and look for add or remove programs. So yep, this is the only place where we can uninstall those. So say for example, we have the Minecraft launcher right here. I'm gonna uninstall this one. All we have to do really is just scroll down and look for that one. So here is the Minecraft launcher. I'm gonna click this one and then click the uninstall button. Uninstall it once again, and you should be able to see that this one here is gone. Now head over back here, and if you're going to close this, you should be able to see this one as well disappear. So as you can see, it says install once again. So yep, that's the only way in order for you to get this done, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day.